What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to discuss the pros and the cons of Facebook ads and Google ads. I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JVju and many other marketplaces, and I am working here for last 8 years and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, online marketing. Now in this video I will discuss the pros and the cons, the benefit, all about the Google ad and Facebook ad. And finally, I share my honest opinion about Google ad and Facebook ads. So guys, before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, and new updates inside my YouTube channel. You see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter, a lot of tricks, a lot of marketing statistics inside my YouTube channel, and I am uploading videos in the daily basis. You see here it's an educational YouTube channel and it will help you a lot if you want to long run your affiliate marketing journey. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, stay focused and see my personal opinion about Google ad and Facebook ad. At first, if you want to see the statistics of Google ads and Facebook ads in the previous years, you see here $134 billion in Google ad individually uses in 2019, and at the case of Facebook ads, you see here $17 billion spent on Facebook. And if you want to see the users, then in the case of Google, 4 million people run Google ads in the previous years, and $7 million people run Facebook ads in the previous years in 2019. Now I will discuss the pros and the cons of Facebook ad and Google ad. So at first I want to discuss the pros of Google ads. So the most important and the most important pros of Google ads is easier to scale. If you are a newbie and if you are an expert, in the case of Google ads, you can easily scale up your earning, scale up your improvement. So if you can if you spend $100 and you can get $200, then you can easily scale it up as 500, 1000, 10,000, 20,000 and a lot of more. So you can easily scale up if you run Google ads. Then another pros of Google ads is ad approve. In the case of running ad campaigns, ad approve one of the most important thing. Most of the case your ad will be disapproved, your account will be suspended. In the case of Facebook ads, it's like so much difficult to get ad approved. It's like a nightmare. Oh, so much stuff. But in the case of Google ads, getting ad approved is so much easy. And if I want to say the competition, in the case of Google ad, the competition is 4x lower than Facebook ads. If you see the previous years, 7 million people run Facebook ads, but only 4 million people run Google ads. So in the case of competition, you can get the benefit if you run Google ads. Now I want to discuss the pros of Facebook ads. It's easier targeting. Facebook basically use artificial intelligence for all the tracking, all the all the buyers, all the data of the buyers, all the buyer behaviors, all the click rate, everything. So if you run Facebook ads, then it's easier to get the targeted audience and all do everything, and all the tasks do by the Facebook. So you can get easier targeting people for running Facebook ads. Ad creation. In the case of Facebook ad creation, it's so much easy. Users need to add a website, add images or videos for running, for creating your ads. But at the case of Google, you have to fill up a lot of things, a lot of info needed to create your Google ads. And in the case of Google, you um, don't add any spammy and any claim in the case of Google ad. So overall, it's my personal opinion. Overall, Google creating ads is tough, but at the case of Facebook, ad creation is too much easy. Just add a website, add image or video. That's it. I already said another process AI targeting, because Facebook use artificial intelligence for getting all the records of the buyers, so you don't need to host your money here and there and various other audience, and you can easily target your audience. Now the cons of Google. User interface. In the case of Google ads, user interface is so much difficult and so much hard, so you don't you will be hesitant to identify the user interface. It's the cons of Google ad. And another is targeting. Google, it's very much hard to target the right customer in the case of Google ad, because you have to write, you can target in keyword, title, location, demographic, everything. So it's tough to target the right audience. So in the case of Google ad, targeting is tough. Now the cons of Facebook ads. The first, competition. You have to compete here with a lot of marketers, a lot of companies, a lot of brands. If every marketer, every brand use promote the same product, same offers, and the same people, so it's so much competitive in the case of Facebook ads. And number two, its cost. Here is so much competition, so in the case of Facebook ads, you have to budget more money than Google ads, so it's one of the pros, it's one of the cons in my case, but in my opinion. And finally, ad approval is a horror, is a travel uh, thing in the Facebook ads. It's a nightmare. Oh my god. In the most of the case, you will be disapproved. Your ad will be disapproved. But in the case of Facebook ads, I prefer all the marketers to run multiple accounts for running Facebook ads. So guys, all the pros and cons of Facebook ads and Google ads. And if you have any question in this, about this, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Rajubhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And as my final opinion, if you are a newbie marketer, if you are a beginner, then I suggest you, I recommend you to run Facebook ads. But if you have a business and if you want to scale up for a long term bigger, then you can run Google ads. That's it.